G'day guys, John here, Chief Instructor with FPV Australia. As you know, we travel the country training pilots for the remote pilot's license and radio operator certificate and all that sort of stuff. However, today I'd like to talk to you about corporate-based training. So, training that's aimed specifically at the corporate or the organisation that has multiple staff members that they want trained. If you've got, for argument's sake, 3 or 4 staff that need training, I guess you could put them on, send them to a training school or send them to us and we can put them on a course with other individuals that are looking to be trained. Or, in this case, what I'd like to talk about is corporate-based training where it's exclusive to you. So if you've got 3 or 4 guys that need training, we will tailor the package, the training package, directly for your organisation. And by that I mean there'll be the base level of training that we have to deliver for the issue of the remote pilot's licence. But then we can shape the edges and whatnot to be aimed specifically at your part of the industry. So whatever it is you do specifically, we can massage the training to take into account the operations that you're going to be performing. On top of that, it's exclusive to you. So there's no other members of the public. So the discussions can centre around what it is you do with drones or will be doing with drones. There is no added costs to this, by the way. There's no premium you're going to pay for us to do that. We will still come to you. We will still cover all of our own travel and accommodation costs. We'll find a venue for it if you don't have one. There's no further cost to you. It's the same price as you would get if you came to us as a group. And in saying that, there are group pricing. So you're not going to pay the full street price if you are going to send a stack of staff this way. So it's very moulded and shaped, aimed at those organisations that do in fact have multiple staff members that need training. So if you've got groups that need training, it wouldn't matter if you're in Burke or if you're in the Northern Peninsula or Mornington Peninsula, I should say, or the far north up in Cape York. It doesn't matter. We will still come to you. We travel everywhere. If you've got questions about this, please feel free to contact us. We're happy to help. 02 6112 8551. It's down there. That'll get you straight through to the office, or you can email training@fpvaustralia.com.au. We'll answer any questions you've got and how it works, and we'll take care of all the admin and all the paperwork and all the stuff that goes with it, and it'll be your exclusive course aimed directly at what you do with drones. I hope this has been helpful for you, and if you've got any further questions, please get in touch. Happy to help. And remember, if you are flying a drone today, tomorrow, next week, or next month, please do so safely and responsibly. We really do need safe skies for all. Enjoy.